The cowardly attack on civilians by Indians was responded by our armed forces in broad daylight on the chosen date and time and place, as promised. Pakistan deliberately avoided targeting civilian population, unlike the Modi government, because we are a peace-loving nation. The civilians and forces personnel who embrace martyrdom are the pride of the nation and would be remembered forever. The historical day of 10th May 2025 will be remembered by the whole nation forever, as on this day we defeated an enemy who was under the illusion that it can eliminate our beloved homeland. The entire nation is thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for granting us an exemplary success against all odds. This victory marks the beginning of a new Pakistan, and we must now build upon it and with unity and determination to meet all the future challenges together. Let's be united and strengthen our beloved motherland. Pak forces Zindabad, Pak forces Zindabad, Pakistan Thaindabad.